If you need to let someone else help manage your Namecheap domain without giving away full control, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to delegate access to your domain on your Namecheap account, step by step, so you can safely share only the permissions you want. This is great if you work with a web developer, an assistant, or a team member who needs to manage parts of your domain settings. And before we start, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials just like this. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, look for the domain list in your account dashboard. This is where all of your registered domains are shown in one place. Find the domain you want to share access to and then click Manage next to it. This will open the settings for that specific domain. Now that you're inside the domain management page, look for the Sharing and Transfer tab. This is the section where you can control who has access to your domain and what they're allowed to do. Click on that tab to continue. Inside the sharing and transfer area, you'll see an option to add new manager. This is the feature you'll use to invite another person to help manage the domain. Click add new manager and then enter the email address of the person you want to grant access to. Make sure the email is correct because this is where the invitation will be sent. After entering the email address, you'll need to choose the permissions you want to provide. Namecheap allows you to select specific permissions, which is helpful because you do not have to give full access if you don't want to. Choose select specific permissions, then carefully pick only the actions you want this person to be able to perform. For example, you may want them to manage DNS or update certain settings, but not handle everything. Once your permissions are selected, Namecheap may ask you to enter your domain password for confirmation. Type it in carefully, then click Confirm to complete the setup. After that, an invitation will be sent to the person you added. They'll need to accept the invitation before they can start managing the domain. Once they accept it, they'll only have access to the exact permissions you granted, so you stay in control the entire time. And that's it. You've successfully delegated access to your domain on your Namecheap account. It's a simple way to work with others while keeping your account secure. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides like this one.